Introducing HubMate from Banlaw, a tool for heavy vehicle maintenance professionals to streamline the servicing of plant that has wheel hubs, differentials or transmissions. Do your current waste oil removal and replacement processes frustrate you? Does it take ages for each gearbox to drain properly? Is it messy to perform and clean up after services? Or do you need to make contraptions to attempt to catch the oil? HubMate from Banlaw includes a unique low-profile service port. We've minimised how far it extends inside and outside of your machines, allowing it to replace your stock drain plugs and be installed where other parts simply won't fit. The service tool is easy to use, allowing for simple one-handed operation. It rapidly evacuates and stores waste fluids when used with a vacuum pump, and can then be affixed to your dispensing hose to immediately dose the correct quantity of clean oil into your machine via the same port. HubMate includes a flush face service port for your machines. The solution forms a drying brake fluid transfer coupling, plus caps and plugs come as standard. We understand that cost and compatibility are really important too, so to keep things simple, we designed our HubMate service tool to connect with whichever fluid transfer fittings are the standard for filling and evacuating fluids on your site. HubMate has been designed in close collaboration with heavy equipment maintenance professionals. We've been right there in the service bay with you, so we know you can save 5 to 20 minutes on each gearbox or wheel hub service. We know you'll stop wasting valuable oil during transfers. We know you'll have reduced downtime from fluid contamination. And we know that without the mess, you'll have a safer, more environmentally sound workplace. Our engineers are available to help specify HubMate for your plant equipment or industrial vehicles. We can even create a custom solution for your operation. HubMate transforms your service times, and we know it'll be your new best friend in the maintenance bay. Contact Banlaw today.